Christopher, can I have that? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Oh, can you hand them to me, please? Christopher, can you hand me the fork or spoon? Fork? Thank you. Can I have another one? Thank you. There's no food on it. Oh, we found a container. Thank you. Can you hand me another spoon? Oh, you got a spoon and a fork. Here. Thank you. Can I have that? Thank you. Can I have another one? Christopher? Can I? Oh. Uh-oh. You dropped a spoon. Can I have that? Okay. All right. Goodbye.